Again, I believe acting is about living. It's about behaving. It's about being. Acting is about reacting. I don't consider it a world of pretend necessarily. Sanford Meisner has 10 million and one amazing quotes. One of them is, I feel like this past year and a half or so has been for actors and for just for life. That which hinders your task is your task. So if you're finding you have a block with something and you're trying to, like, say it's I really try to avoid the word memorize. I really try to take it out of my teaching. I don't believe in it because that if you're not learning the story to live the lines, which is what I say memorizing is really about, you're learning the story so you can live the lines. There are memorization techniques you can do after you get the story, and if the story isn't in you, it's pointless. There's no vulnerability or authenticity in memorizing lines and going on the camera. And like we were talking about before you guys showed up, what's making you stand out? How do you get in here, especially if you're not used to, or if you have a wall? Look, we all have masks. I incorporate a lot of the core energetic work. We have our lower self, our higher self, and our mask. And there's nothing wrong with having masks. You don't walk through the streets of New York City with your vulnerability hanging out, right? You're gonna have, well, at least when I lived there, I think that's probably why I hear almost everybody gets mugged. I'm like, oh, I never got mugged. Knock on wood. Here we go. Because I have a tough exterior and I walked around with that. I think it was probably a don't fuck with me vibe. But I had to have that mask on to protect myself. So there's a place for masks. It's part of the human condition. But for your acting, do you know what's behind and underneath your mask is the question. And there's more than one mask. We have several masks.